kitchen. Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we are making Italian ricotta. This is a really simple recipe, only 3 ingredients: milk, white vinegar, and salt. We're going to put the milk and the salt in the pot and we're going to slowly bring it up to 185 degrees. Make sure not to boil it. You're going to want to slowly bring it up to 185. Stir every now and then wait for it to get to 185. Once the milk gets up to 185 degrees, you're going to want to add in the vinegar, stir, and then put the lid on. You can use ricotta in lasagna, or you can use it in the zucchini gnocchi that we're going to post about next week. Or you can even use it to make your pancakes fluffier. Put a colander over a bowl and then put a cheesecloth over that. Using a slotted spoon or a sieve, you're going to want to scoop the little cheese curds that are in your pot into the cheesecloth, and you're going to want to let it drain. We leave our ricotta for about 5 minutes so it's nice and moist, especially when you're baking. That's nice to have something moist to add moisture to your baking. But you can leave it for longer if you want it to be more dry. Bon appetit. Please like and subscribe. Make sure if you liked this video and want to see more videos like this, share with your friends. Thank you.